If I were oneness.
Oh.
If I were oneness, I'd be full of awe, wonder, and glee. But I wouldn't know it. There'd be no way to see. Without someone or something to cast a reflection, all of my possibilities would rest in perfection. I'd have to experiment, split myself in two. Oh my, it worked! There I am. I can see me, a reflection of you. I'd keep splitting, dividing. There's more to this gang. More room is needed. I know. I'll burst with a bang. What a sight to behold, atoms, molecules, and parts, each one a wonder, held close as they live within my heart. Look what happens when my pieces touch, collide, and intertwine. Entire worlds are born within me, everything alive, nothing outside the line. If I were oneness, I wouldn't stop there. There'd be countless more combinations of myself to share. Zoom in on one world, what expressions I'd find. Insects, plants, animals, and fungi. Each a version of me, just a different kind. But I'd save my most unique expression for last. Let's call them humans, and they'd forget their whole past. An illusion maybe, but I'd let them believe they're free, to curiously watch how they interact and express me. The endlessly diverse ways they choose to behave and relate, mostly with love, when blind with hate. If I were oneness, I'd throw in a joke, something subtle yet grand, so they don't blow too much smoke. Humans flicker in and out, moments brief yet profound. When ego inflates too large, they stumble back to the ground. Many carry a weight that they're not enough, if only they'd remember they're me, made of the same stuff. Billions of them, each unique, I know they'll be fine. They reveal more of me with each passing moment of time. If I were oneness, I'd know separation isn't true. I'd cherish it all, say thanks to each one, for I can only know me through you.